Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials, log into Patreon and verify your email. Make sure you pick the correct tier and that your payment method is authorized, because Patreon locks content by pledge status. Once done, refresh the creator page and check the membership area. This tells you whether Patreon recognizes your pledge. If the tier includes locked posts, Patreon will list them on the creators page. These steps prevent common access flag issues and get you ready to view the posts legally. You now navigate the creators page to reach locked material. Click Posts or Membership Feed, then use filters to show patron-only or tier-specific posts. Patreon organizes content by access level. Make sure cookies are enabled and disable aggressive tracker blockers, because Patreon relies on session data to verify membership. If you pledged recently, wait a few minutes for the system to update, then refresh the page. This explains how the platform validates access and why browser settings matter. You finish by resolving remaining access problems. Contact the creator politely with your pledge confirmation. Many creators can grant manual access or confirm receipt. If that fails, open a support ticket with Patreon and attach payment proof. Screenshots of transaction ID or receipts clarify the issue. Make sure to check billing timing, because some pledges process at the start of the cycle. Troubleshooting tip: if posts don't appear after 24 hours, clear cache and try another browser, then follow up with support for escalation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.